स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटोरियल्स। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं स्टैंडर्ड फोर्थ का ईवीएस का चैप्टर नंबर 24, आर वी एंडेंजरिंग अवर एनवायरमेंट के क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट ए, व्हाट्स द सॉल्यूशन? योर अंकल हु लिव्स इन अ बुल्ढाना हैज एन ओल्ड स्कूटर. It gives out a lot of smoke when it is started. Answer: the solution to this is either the engine has to be serviced properly, but after servicing, if the problem continues, then it is the best to buy a new scooter. B. Make a list of a vehicle that run on a petrol or a diesel. Answer: car, truck, van, bus, tractor, etc. C. Think and tell. First, wastewater from a factory is let into a river. What harmful effect does it have on the people in the neighborhood? Answer: when a waste from a factory is let into a river directly without any treatment of them, it may cause serious problems of a people living in the neighborhood. The water of the entire river will get polluted and people won't have water to drink of use for agriculture. Also, both the humans and animals in the nearby locality will have serious health problems. Second, how did the discovery of electricity make human life more comfortable? Answer: the discovery of electricity has truly made human life more comfortable. First, we use electric lifts that helps us climb big buildings without any physical work. Second, electric trains make our transport and commuting easy, cheaper with less pollution. D. Answer the following questions. First, which are the different vehicles that man has invented? Answer: man has invented vehicles like the motor car, bus, truck, scooter, trains, and aeroplanes. Second, what has to be done to set up a new colonies? Answer: to set up a new colonies, the trees there had to be cut down. Third, which disease do mosquitoes spread? Answer: mosquitoes spread diseases like malaria, dengue, filaria, and chikungunya. 4. How has taking more than one crop in a year affected groundwater? Answer: taking more than one crop in a year had resulted in a decrease in the amount of available groundwater. E. Filling the blanks. First, in a summer, there is a shortage of water in a many villages and cities. Second, a bullock or a male buffalo is used to turn the rahat gadge. Third, man is more intelligent than all other animals. 4. A moat is a large leather bag. Fifth, people leave their villages for the cities in search of employment. Okay, student, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. Then do like, comment, and share. And for more such a video, subscribe to Study Spark Tutorials. We will meet in the next video. Till that, keep learning.